Hey everyone, it's Digging Freedom. This is part two of this permission I have. As I said in part one, you can see kind of what's going on here. This was an old puppy mill, and now you can see a little clear. This I'm looking at behind of what was a chicken coop, and the people that used to own this property bred wolf hybrids, and it was called the Wolf Pack. So this is where they hit them, because it's illegal here anyway. This is where they hit them. They fenced them in, and this is where they lived and where they died. And I feel that. And look. So now I feel even worse. I feel even worse now. The skull of a dog just laying here. I'm sorry, I love dogs. Dogs are just awesome. And to see what might have transpired here, and to now see a skull just laying on the surface, it's really upsetting. So I don't know, after seeing this, I didn't expect to walk up on a skull, and you can see parts of bones right here. I really don't want to disturb it. This is jawbone. It's just ain't right. So this is what I'm gonna do. I spoke with Howard Hewitt about making peace with a land that you feel disturbed of, and this is what I'm gonna do here. Brought some flowers. To let these animals know that we're here, that at least someone cares. I brought a ball for the times you should have played fetch. And I brought a strap you used to walk a dog before. For all the times that these animals never got that chance. So this is my way of letting this land know, these spirits here know, these animals that were mistreated, that I want to tell your story. I want to discover what I can, and I have no disrespect. It's my way of showing you I have some respect. I am really, really sad to seeing that skull. I don't like it at all. I really don't. But this is the best I can do. And I hope it's enough. And if I feel differently when I come on this land again in the future, maybe I'll detect it. But I hope this at least gives this ground some peace. This breaks my heart. I'm telling you, if you own a dog, if you've ever had an animal, a dog, a cat, you know what I'm thinking right now. That how inhumane. Oh. So anyway, I really don't know if I want to hunt this at all. I really don't. I have to think about this one. This is the first site I've walked onto where I have felt a certain way. Now, now I see why. I had no idea when I walked up on here that there would be a dog skull here, and also obviously a carcass, bones. So one of the animals suffered and died right here. And it just infuriates me. It saddens me and it infuriates me. Okay. I've said what I had to say. I've done what I needed to do in my mind to try to give this land some peace. And I have about 4 minutes left on my video here before I have to make part 3, and I really don't want to go to part 3. So that's the chicken coop. So I'm going to show you the inside of the barn, and I'll end it with that. I am really bummed out today with this. I just thought I'd come here and make a little peace and do what I needed to do, and I did not expect seeing a dog skull sitting there. That was tough. So you can see by what I'm looking at here, here's the barn. This property was established in the mid-1800s. And you can see why there's no way in hell I am walking in here. Back in the day, this was the party place. So you can see with the couches and the mattresses and whatever. So kids came here and partied. So, yeah, I'm not walking in here. But back in the day, I'm sure this was an awesome place. As far as the barn goes. It's built very well. I might try and detect, maybe, if I feel right, in the bottom there where there's dirt. But I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, old electrical pole. Okay, I'm gonna switch this over to me real quick. I'll say a few words and I'm gonna end it. This may be the well house. Let's see what this is. I haven't been in here yet. Yeah, that's the well house. I don't know what this must be a secondary or something. That's bizarre. Huh. That's nuts. All right, everyone. Yeah, you know, I don't like seeing stuff like this. I've been a pet owner, dog owner, since I was young, and I've always had a dog in my life. I have 3 right now. One's a rescue dog, and so this kind of hit home for me here. And people that have pets, you'll understand. You'll know what I'm talking about. So, I don't know. Leave your comments if you want. I did the best I could, and I just have to come back and think about this. I just don't know. I don't know if I want to hunt this. I just don't know right now. I gotta think about this one. I will put this on the back burner for now. Thank you for watching, and thanks, Howard, for telling me what you think might be a good idea. I felt good about doing it. Disturbed at what I discovered, but I did what I needed to do, and hopefully there's some peace here. Everyone, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'm going up north tomorrow, and I will be doing some detecting up there, so I will be gone for a good week, but I should have some good footage from that. You all take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and be well. And most of all, if you have a pet, hug them. Okay? Bye now.